So now we need to define quality. So what is quality? As you can see this illustration, every single person will have own opinion about quality. So what actually is quality? In the quest to answer these questions, some great work has been done and we have come closer to a consensus somewhat. According to Crosby, a quality philosopher, quality is conformance to requirement. Duran said quality is fitness to use, and ISO, International Standards Organization, gave this concise definition: totality of features and characteristics of a product service that bear on its ability to satisfy a given or implied need. For official purposes, ISO 9000 definition is a good start. These definitions in no way should be deemed contradictory. These are complementing each other. Product and services must meet the requirements as the central theme. Now I will provide another definition. Why not? This will we call modern definition. Quality is inversely proportional to variability. So in this graph, we have a target, which is what we want to achieve. There are two curves as well. This LSL line shows the lower specification limits, and the USL line shows the upper specification limit. If we are in between these LSL and USL lines, the product or service is acceptable. What we want is to move these LSL and USL lines closer to the target, make the bell curve steeper so that we have even less variability. Muda. Muda is a Japanese concept. We can trace back its roots to Toyota production system or lean manufacturing. Muda is mostly used with two other words, Mura, Muda, and Muri. Muda means to reduce wastefulness. Anything that is not adding into the work required to complete the task is wasteful and should be strived for removal. For example, talking of an act is a value added activity, whereas walking to the rack, picking up the nut, and bringing it to the workstation are not value adding. So these are non value adding activities. A visual example of the concept. This is a generic life cycle of a manufacturing facility. All the red areas are the work that is not adding value but adding cost, whereas the green shade is where the actual work is being done. We always try and strive for minimizing the red areas or wastefulness. As the great Japanese theologian Shigo said, most dangerous of waste is that which we are not recognizing. A skill and art to identify waste in your life. If an activity is taking too much of time and you don't consider it as a waste, then you won't be able to improve on that. A skill and art is it is an skill and also an art to identify waste in your life. If an activity is taking too much time and you don't consider it as a waste, then it won't be something that you would be able to improve on.